come on over. Welcome to our factory in Zhejiang, Langnuo. I want to give you a quick tour of our facility and the production processes, so come on in. Over here is our mold workshop. But we're going to start on the other side with the raw materials. So let's go. Here we're going to start with our raw material. You can see here we have 304 steel. We can also do 201. It's up to your requirements. Here is stamping the steel out, like for the bottom of your bottle or cup. And this is where everything really starts. So for your steel bottle or cup, we'll take the metal steel pipe and we'll be cutting it here. Here we're going to be smoothing out the shape of the pipe. So after using the water process to change the shape, we're going to come over here. Extra material. The next step is a water process to do some shaping. So you can see here, the shape of that pipe has changed. So it's going from this to this. Let's move on. And here we're cutting up excess at the top. You can see that top piece being cut off right there. Okay, over here we're doing some more shaping. Here the steel is being stretched. And here we're doing some trimming to take off excess material and get the edges cleaned up. Then over here we're going to do some cleaning, washing the steel. Over here we're going to take the inner and outer wall and weld the top together. Now we're going to go over and weld the bottom. And over here we're welding the bottom together. You can see it's one piece now. And over here these mugs are getting ready to be vacuum sealed. You can see right here, I've got this piece right here. Put it right here. And then they'll go into our vacuum machines over here. And that's how you get the vacuum seal. And then we're going to continue on and go to see the testing for the vacuum seal. And here you can see bottles going into the vacuum machine and getting ready to be vacuum sealed. And here is our vacuum seal testing. Through these small pipes, very hot air is going to come up into the bottle. If the vacuum seal were to fail, you would be able to feel the outer wall of the steel being very, very hot. Of course, if it's not going to fail, you're not going to feel hot on the outer wall. It's just going to be the room temperature feeling. So after we do the vacuum seal testing, everything is sent off for electrosis. But that is something that we do not do here, as most factories cannot do that, as it's government controlled. So we're going to go upstairs and check out the polishing workshop. Okay, we have arrived at the second floor. After the bottles or cups, mugs come back from electrosis, they're going to be checked again and make sure that there's no quality defects or issues. After that, we're going to move on to our polishing workshop. We've got 3 rooms for polishing. Okay, so we're going into the polishing workshop. It's very loud, so I don't think you'll be able to hear me, but you can see. gonna do vacuum seal testing again, so we can ensure that the vacuum seal is done right. Okay, now we're gonna move on to painting. And here's our painting line and painting room down there. Unfortunately, it's Sunday, so we're not doing painting today. And here is silk printing an image or your logo. As needed before painting, we'll put this plastic film around here or around here, so that the paint is not going to go over, or we're going to get plain paint splatter up and down here. So it can give you a nice clean finish, a nice clean edge. And here's one of our laser machines. And here you can see finished product. Just clean out the inside of the bottle, make sure everything's ready to go. Label as needed and pack it. Okay, just come by, you can see our showroom. A little messy right now. Here's our meeting room. Some staff here. And our boss is in a meeting right now, so we don't want to disturb him. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the quick tour. We'd love to have you visit our factory. We're located about 2 hours away from Shanghai, or about 1 hour from Yiwu. We're here in Zhejiang, China. We'd love to see you for a visit. Take care. Bye-bye.